Today the matter has been taken up by the court. A long hearing was taken place. The honorable judges have heard almost all the parties. And number one, that the 8,500% list which had been provided by the state government regarding the appointment of the micro observer, they have been directed to report to the ERO, concerned ERO, within 5 p.m. tomorrow. Then the election commission will look into their genuinity of the documents, and thereafter they will take the decision. All the micro observers will look into the documents which will be submitted and which had been submitted. Therefore, it is open, again open. Then the court has said that the ERO will take the final decision, whose names will be there or whose names will not be there. Till now, the ERO has taken the decision, but it has been kept pending for micro observer, macro observer, etc. That is gone. Whatever the ERO has taken a decision, that decision is final. And ERO will take the decision by uninfluenced by any of the directions given by the election commission. And this the micro observer will assist them, restricted to understanding the names of the Bengalis, etc. The court has also said that those who have filed the objection, that objection will be heard also by the EROs, and that will be dealt with in accordance with law. Now, another part is that the election commission has lodged a complaint that there was a direction for the registration of the FIR, but FIR has not been registered. For that reason, the court has asked the Director General of Police to submit an expansion to that extent. What is the allegation? And these are the matters. Nutshell, matter would be heard on Monday. So many observations have been fallen from the court, but the court is very clear. Number one point, for logical discrepancy, in the name of the logical discrepancy, you can't delete the names of the genuine voters. This is most important. If there is some minor mistake, for that reason it cannot be done. Difference of the grandfather and the grandson age, that's not the criteria. It is also not the criteria that the mother's age is and the elector's age is little difference. That's also not the criteria. These are the things have been observed.
Royal Oak Year and Sale है, प्राइस गिरेंगे, स्माइल बिग होगा, होम मेकओवर करेगा, सेव भी करेगा, 70% ऑफ, घर शाइन ग्लो करेगा. रॉयल ओक डील ग्रैब करो, साल का सबसे बड़ा वाव करेगा.
मेडिसिन में 22% डिस्काउंट, साथ ही फ्री होम डिलीवरी. कॉल कीजिए या विजिट कीजिए. सिलीगुड़ी फार्मेसी, 99% मेडिसिन हमेशा उपलब्ध. यही है हमारी स्पेशलिटी. विश्वास नहीं होता? अजमा लीजिए. आज ही कॉल कीजिए या विजिट कीजिए. सिलीगुड़ी फार्मेसी, बाघा जतीन रोड, हाथी मोड़ के निकट, सुभाष पल्ली, सिलीगुड़ी. कॉल 9933990001. Consultation available with doctors.
What's your favorite beverage? A strawberry milkshake, Ovi, Agnipat, food, butter chicken, home interiors, Homelane.
By getting your interiors done from Homelane, you choose a hassle-free experience. 45-day delivery, no hidden costs, and a flat 10-year warranty.
Come meet us.
Homelane Modular Kitchens and Wardrobes, now available at Selection Furniture, Siliguri, opposite Vega Circle Mall, next to Zudio. Call now 7699736111.